How do you use Zelle to transfer money between banks? Zelle is a payment system that can be used to send money from one bank to another. You can enroll in Zelle from your bank account online or using your bank's mobile app. Almost all traditional banks support Zelle, with very few exceptions. For example, Chime Bank, Verabank, and Cash App don't support Zelle. Each bank sets its limits on the amount you can send and receive. The limit is usually around $3,000. However, some banks have higher limits. You must check this limit at your bank's website. Zelle uses a phone number or an email to identify the user. You can confirm that you own an account using OTP that you received to your phone or email. You can have more than one Zelle account. You can enroll in Zelle multiple times at different banks using different emails and phone numbers. This way you can send money to your own account at another bank or to someone else's account. To send money, you must manually initiate the transfer. On the other hand, to receive money, you don't have to do anything. Transfer is automatically accepted. You can use Zelle to send money to someone else's bank account or your account at another bank.